Yo, what is good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great like always. I'm in a good mood, you feel me? I hope you are too. If not, I hope I can make it a little bit better and motivate you to make some beats with me today, you feel me? Damn, I'm super gassed up to make this video, to make this beat, bro. Like, let's make some motherfucking beats, you feel me? Let's go. But if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community. Thank you so much for supporting. It really means a lot to me. I appreciate you guys so much. But let's just dive right into the video. Let's not waste any more time. Also, make sure to stick around to the end because I'm listening to some beats from you guys with like the hashtag Skana beats. So make sure to stick around for that and I might play your beat, you feel me? So let's get it. Okay, I kind of like that. We're starting off simple like always. Right now it's sounding super nasty in my opinion. I think the drums will go just super crazy, bro. I'm going to like chop it up a little bit just to like create some bounce in there. So let's just see how this sounds. Let's cut some lows out of the sample and add some crazy drums, bro. Oh, oh, oh. This beat is tough, bro. I think I'm going to add like this crash sound from Rio, his drum kits. It's like a West Coast type of crash, but it just like when you put it onto like your trap beats, it hits super hard, bro. Like it's crazy. So I'm going to add that in there, add some air candy in there as well, and then just like it's too crazy. I really love these type of beats. This is really my type of stuff, you feel me? Besides like the wavy stuff and like the feel good type of beats, sometimes I like to get dark, you feel me? I really love this beat. But let me see if I love your beat. So I'm gonna grab my phone right here, go to Instagram and listen to some of your beats. So hashtag Skana beats. Goddamn, I can't type. Oh, we got already a lot of posts, so I'm really curious what you guys made. Let me just see. Let's maybe check out this one with the car. This one looks super crazy. This one is from Silver Grave, I think it's pronounced. Sorry if I pronounce your names wrong, but let's see. I like that little glide right there. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, that was hard. That like the melody dug down, like the and then it dug down and then it came back up. That was super fire, bro. Super fire. Keep working. I'm gonna put a comment right here. Super fire, G. Whoa. Okay, let's hear this one. Check in prods. Playboy Cardi type of beats. You got a nice setup, bro. This better be hard. Ooh, bro. Whoa. This is fucking crazy, this beat. This one was from Checking Prod, super fire, bro. Keep working. That shit is hard. Okay, let's listen to one more. Let's see what this real is. From Prod by Leroy. Trap soul R&B type beats. Ooh, bro. Get Drake or Bryson Tiller on this. Whoa. Super smooth. Bro, this one is hard. I like this one. It's like super wavy and calm at the same time, but like Drake could do a crazy verse on this, bro. You guys been making so much heat, bro. It's crazy. Like, if you want me to listen to your beats, make sure to put hashtag Skana Beats underneath your Instagram posts. And also, if you're there, make sure to follow me on Instagram at Skana Beats. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.